Good afternoon, students. Welcome to our online class in English subject. So for today's lesson, we're going to continue our last topic about letters, okay? Since we are done with letter A to C, let's continue to letter D to letter I. Are you ready? Yes, you are ready. And now let's begin. Okay, our first letter is letter D. Okay, D. This is the capital letter D and this is the small letter D. Okay, what is the sound of letter D? The sound of letter D is D. Again, D. Again, D. Okay, these are the examples. Dog. Again, dog. Doctor. Doctor. Okay, very good, students. Okay, next is letter E. Again, E. Okay, this is the capital letter E, and this is the small letter E. Okay. Okay, what is the sound of letter E? The sound of letter E is E. Again, E. Okay, very good. Okay, now let's proceed with the examples. Elephant. Again, elephant. Egg. Egg. Okay, very good. Okay, next is letter F. Okay, this is the capital letter F and this is the small letter F. Okay, what is the sound of letter F? The sound of letter F is f. Again, f. Okay, these are the examples. Fish. Again, fish. Fun. Again, fun. Okay, very good, students. Okay, next is letter G. Again, G. This is the capital letter G, and this is the small letter G. Okay, what is the sound of letter G? The sound of letter G is G. Again, G. Okay, these are the examples. Giraffe. Again, giraffe. Next is goat. Goat. Okay, very good, students. Okay, next is letter H. Again, H. Okay, these are the examples of letter H, but before anything else, this is the capital letter H. This is the small letter H. Okay, what is the sound of letter H? The sound of letter H is ha. Again, ha. Okay, very good. Okay, these are the examples. Hen. Again, hen. Hat. Again, hat. Okay, very good. Okay, next is letter I. Again, I. This is the capital letter I, and this is the small letter I. Okay, what is the sound of letter I? The sound of letter I is E. Again, E. Okay, these are the examples. Ink. Again, ink. Ice cream. Ice cream. Okay, very good, students. Now let's proceed with your worksheets. Okay, you're going to answer pages 38 to 39. Okay, is that clear? Yes, it is clear. Now let's proceed with this one. Okay, this is the direction. Look at the objects, read and trace their beginning capital letters. Okay, this is the dog, the elephant, the fish. Okay, this is the capital letter D, E, F. Okay, okay, next is giraffe, hen, ink. Okay, this is the capital letter G, letter H, letter I. Okay, is that clear? Yes, it is clear. Okay, thank you for listening, student. I hope that you've learned a lot of lesson for today. Thank you and see you again next time, okay? Bye-bye. Keep safe, everyone.